It's Thursday and I'm making a video because it's summer and we don't have any rules. So Brittany and I are here in the car. Is that you? Oh, I can't like see what I'm. Okay. She's over there somewhere.
Relatively in the direction of me. So
good. So we just got back from an afternoon at the river, which was probably the worst idea we've ever had. We started going down in our inner tubes, and it was our one because we were sharing an inner tube. So it's just us, and then the rest were all guys. Yeah, we're the only girls. Fine until it was cold, but that's fine because it's hot outside. Until we ran into some rocks, and I think we were maybe just both trying not to fall off or something. I don't know, but either way, we both fell off, and I just got rolled down the river. How would you describe what I did?
It's pretty epic.
For about, how far was that?
I don't know.
I don't know where I started.
Well, we were both struggling, but I had the inner tube.
Yeah, but Brittany had the inner tube, and I was just free falling. Yeah, and also our clothes were in one of the inner tubes. So should I not film you? Would that make you uncomfortable?
Yeah, it would be a little weird.
Okay, well we're in swimsuits. I'll just say that. Driving home. Yeah, with no shoes on.
I had to go back and get you.
Yeah, she had to come back and get me. It was very heroic. They were all like, "Oh, she can swim, just leave her." But I was next to this part where the water was moving really fast, so I was stuck in this little pocket of not moving water, and I couldn't really go anywhere. And so Brittany had to coach me out of it.
It's great.
So then we got back on the inner tube, and we floated for a while again. And then
found all the boys.
Yeah, we found all the boys because they waited for us. That was the only nice thing they did for us all day. Then Brittany wanted to walk back. She didn't want to keep floating, but I wanted to keep floating. And then I started floating, and then I was like, no, I feel bad, so I went back for Brittany. And so I found her, and we tried this cool inner tube tossing thing with the rope, and it didn't really work, but it looked cool, sort of. Brittany still wanted to walk, but I gave her my shoes. And then I started floating back down, and then everybody was already done and walking back up the path to where Brittany was, so I had to get up, and that wasn't hard, that was fine.
Because all the guys had their shoes, and they were carrying the inner tubes, and so they were, the whole path is gravel, big gravel.
Uncomfortable gravel.
Yeah, it was sharp rocks. And so they were going to go walk back to the car, I guess, and they were all carrying inner tubes and whatever. And so I didn't have shoes, so we had to, lay out all our clothes, one piece at a time. So we'd lay down my shirt, and then I'd step on it, and then lay down another shirt, and I'd step on it and turn around and pick up the other shirt, and just keep, So it took us a really long time.
And the guys were all back at the car.
Just waiting.
Yep. So we figured they would maybe go and drop the inner tubes off and come back, but they didn't.
They were just there waiting.
Yeah. And okay, let's see if I can show my war wounds. Right here, there's a bump that should not be there. It really hurts to bend it. And then down here, this is the good one. This bump, that shouldn't be there. That's just swollen, and it hurts to move that too. And there's also just some scratches and crap. That was probably our first and last river experience of the summer.
No more.
No more river. And alright, that's all. Schmidt, I'll see you tomorrow.